if you want to find and download free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, what you can do is open Settings. In Settings, we can scroll down a little bit and go to Wallpaper and Style. Then over here, choose Change Wallpapers. Scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will find Get More Wallpapers. So you want to select this option. Over here, I'm going to switch to top. Of course, you can go through featured and you will find a bunch of different categories to choose from, but most of these options that are in featured are actually paid. So if you're looking for free, we can find them most likely in top. We can also make sure that we can see only free wallpapers by tapping on this alt text on the left side, and then we can switch to free. Here we go. Now let's find a cool wallpaper. So I'm going to choose this one here. Then we can press download. You might need to use a Samsung account. You might need to sign in to be able to download the wallpaper, and then press apply. Of course, we can set it to lock screen and home screen. Press next. We can still readjust the wallpaper sometimes, depending on the size of the wallpaper. Let's see, the home screen preview looks good, so I'm gonna press done in the top right corner. And there we go. Now we have a new wallpaper that is for free from the internet. Now, if you go back to the settings, to the wallpaper and style, and if you go to change wallpapers again, this time when you scroll down, you will see that the button is gone. In order to find it again, we need to tap on this arrow here on the right side, where we have the From Galaxy Themes, and then we will find it here. If you want to remove a wallpaper, then you can press these three dots in the top right corner. We will find delete. We can select wallpapers that we wish to remove, and then press delete over here at the bottom of the screen. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.